First unboxing experience of Motorola RAZR 2019. Hey guys! So, thanks to a new leak, we may have our best look at the Motorola RAZR yet. Reporting on a Weibo post that has since been deleted, website /leaks has revealed a series of new images of the upcoming device, which include shots of a striking triangular prism-shaped box, plus a glimpse at the contents that will reportedly come packaged inside it. Based on the seemingly legitimate leaked images, it appears the box will contain a charging dock, a power adapter, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, a 3.5mm dongle, which suggests there'll be no headphone jack on the actual device, a pair of earbuds, and, of course, the Motorola RAZR itself. Previous rumors have suggested that the RAZR will also feature a secondary screen that can be viewed while the device is folded, although these particular images don't offer a good view from that side of the handset. While the upcoming RAZR is expected to boast a foldable display, it's believed it won't pack flagship specs, instead featuring a mid-range Snapdragon 710 chip and a middling amount of RAM. So far, no release date has been offered for the Motorola RAZR, although it's still expected to arrive sometime in 2019. According to a previous report by the Wall Street Journal, the new RAZR will be priced at $1,500 in the US. As per The Verge, Motorola will manufacture around 200,000 units of the new RAZR. So that's it for this video. Let me know what's your opinion about upcoming Motorola RAZR. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.